Hi there, I'm Erica and today we're talking about remixes. Video remixes are an important part of challenging the status quo in new ways. Remixes are when a creator takes samples of other media, appropriating and manipulating them, resulting in a different meaning than the original content. Although seeing the original content is important to understand the remix fully, it is not always necessary to appreciate or enjoy the remix by itself. Media theorists believe that remixes are a way to allow for different ideologies, critical commentary, and alternative discourse among viewers and creators. One good example of this is the fan video. An important aspect of many fandoms, fan videos allow people in these communities to make, view, and share this media as a way to connect with other people in the fan group, compile their favourite moments, share their thoughts or criticisms, and even rewrite the content so it ends differently, sometimes referred to as reworks or fanfixes. One example of someone remixing media content as a way to challenge the status quo and critique original work is the video remix created by YouTube user Caden Hutchcraft entitled LGBTQ+ People Deserve Better. This video takes another video's audio, critiquing a queer character's death in the show The 100, and overlays different film and television clips of other queer characters dying, using this to critique the media and question why queer characters are often killed in shows and films. So, remixes are an important way for critiquing the status quo, and connecting with people around the world. However, content creators have to deal with issues surrounding copyright and content ID that may flag their videos, resulting in the original creators being able to monetize this new work, or even the platform removing the remix completely. This means that despite their power in challenging dominant ideologies, remixes are also subject to different forms of power and control, limiting this ability to rework and challenge society. Thanks for listening.